Welcome to Wedding Cakes for You Cake Tutorials. I'm Lorelei, and in this video, I'm sharing an easy Spider-Man cake design idea with gum paste decorations and buttercream frosting. This cake filling is 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, whipped with 1/4 cup of confectionery sugar. A handful of chopped strawberries, and my favorite chocolate buttermilk cake recipe, which is on this channel. Make sure to put a buttercream dam around each layer to hold the soft filling in, and repeat this for all the layers. This buttercream will firm up in the refrigerator, and it will hold your cake layers together and hold your filling inside the cake. A thin layer of buttercream will contain the crumbs so that they won't end up in your final frosting. This is a numbered 789 Wilton icing tip, and it will save you time and place a nice even coat of buttercream onto your cake. Use a bench scraper to smooth out the buttercream. These decorations are made with fondant that has been mixed with Tylose powder, which is basically the same thing as gum paste. These are pretty simple shapes that you can draw out onto a piece of paper to make a template. For the signage, you can attach a skewer or a toothpick onto the back with a dab of water and a small piece of gum paste to hold it down. Let all the pieces dry overnight. Roll out the black fondant or the gum paste, and then cut your skyline. Press it directly onto the buttercream cake and add your small squares with a dab of water. Use a food writer to make the web on Spider-Man's face. You can use buttercream to stick Spider-Man's head onto the cake. Just press gently and then give it a little wiggle and then place it in the fridge for about 10 minutes to harden. I'll be quiet now and let you enjoy the rest of the decorating. Please stay to the end and watch my adorable grandson Harrison, the birthday boy, devouring his cake at the end. It's so cute.
Good job! Oh, I took a bite of Oh my God! What was it? It's the birthday boy. He's right on his head. Even this guy.